Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Beauty with Miu. I'm going to share with you a hair product today. Let's go. All right, what do I want to talk to you about today? It is the I don't know this brand. Is it French? Is it Mamonde or Mamonde? I'm not sure. If you know how to pronounce this, let me know. But this is the Pang Pang hair shadow. This is an unopened box, and I actually bought a few of them because it was on sale. So what is this? This is hair shadow. So just a disclaimer, this does not cover white hair, okay? It actually covers up, I guess, bald spots or light spots on your hair. If you think you see like a bald spot somewhere around, on your head, this is what you can use to make your hair seem a bit fuller. Okay, so it comes in this cute little package. Okay, I guess you could bring it around if you want to throw this in your purse. But what you do is you take out the bottom. Okay, this is the applicator, and then when you open this, here's the product. So what you do is you take the applicator and you rub it on here to get some of the product, and then you dab it wherever you want it to go. Okay, so they have different shades. This one is shade number 3, reddish brown. I think they were about $3 when I bought them, and I was like, oh my god, it's on sale, blah blah blah, and I just grabbed a few of them. I made a mistake actually, because the reddish brown does not really go that well with my hair. They had a shade brown which fit perfectly on my hair, and that's actually what I wanted. But the reddish brown was on sale, and I thought, okay, it might not be so bad, it might still fit, so I went ahead and I bought these. So if your hair color is similar to mine, brown would be the perfect shade for you. So not on sale. This one is still not too expensive. I think it's about $5. I would still buy it if it was not on sale because I really like what the product does. Initially, I did want to cover, a few white hairs here and there, but actually I like how it kind of makes your hair appear fuller in certain places too. So if you just need a little touch up around your hairline here, then this is perfect for you. So I really like this product. So let's give it a quick rating. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do give a quick rating to the products that I review. So they are based on 4 hearts, which is full marks. So I look at the pricing, the packaging, the fragrance, and the effectiveness of the product. I got this at the store Aritaum, so I will link below on where you can get this online. So pricing and packaging, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Once you buy it, it comes just in a regular box. There's nothing crazy about it, and the product is just inside like this. Okay, so pricing and packaging, I'd give it full marks. Fragrance, there is no fragrance, like there's no smell. I've used kind of hair touch-up products which kind of have a really strong smell that either lingers or is just too strong and very uncomfortable. But this one does not have any smell at all. There is also no residue. I've also used products where they harden up, and then after a while later you touch your hair and it's all hard and it's just gross. There's nothing with that for this one. And lastly, effectiveness. I think it does a great job. It does say it is a hair shadow, so as long as you know that this is not for covering white hair, I think its effectiveness is perfect. So I would give this product a 4 out of 4. It's a perfect mark. So very good. I would definitely buy this again, and I do recommend that you try it out if you want to do a little bit of touch-up for your hair. And that's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.